Today I'm gonna show you how to make a worm bin from a plastic container like this. So this is a 19-gallon tote, 19-gallon tote, and what I did was to make a little hole here, and I just put this little faucet over here so that I can empty any buildup of water that's in the worm bin. Usually I don't have buildup of water in this worm bin, but just to make sure there's a drainage somewhere. If you don't want, you can just make a couple of holes at the bottom of the plastic container. So what you need first is you need a bedding for the worms, and the type of worms we're gonna be putting in here, the red wigglers. So you can use paper, shredded paper as your base. You can use newspapers like this. You just have to shred the newspapers into tiny pieces. Just shred them into pieces and just make a nice soft bedding for the worms. You can use regular newspapers, cardboard, or any paper that you have from your shredder should also be would also do good. So this is what you have, as you can see, shredded newspapers. So what you want to do is you want to wet it. You want to have a wet sponge consistency for the paper. So what you do is just add a little bit of water to it, and just mix it up. Just let me show you like that. Just mix up the newspapers. If there's any area that's still dry, you can add a little bit of water. Like over here, I'm gonna add a little bit of water just so that it's a little bit soaked. There you go, shredded newspaper, and then we can put our worms in there. You don't want it too wet. Okay, once our bedding is all set like this, what we do now is we put in the worms. So I have some worms from my other bin. So the worms that I have right here from the other bin, I'm just gonna put them on top. They're gonna move down into the bedding. The worms are gonna move down into the bedding, so you can add stuff like the love stuff, fruits like this, apple. Then once you have them in there, you can put food, organic matter that they can eat. You can put stuff like this. You can put bananas, watermelon. You can add watermelon like this, cantaloupe, oranges. Just lay them there, and you want to cover it. I usually cover mine with a cardboard. You can use any other lid. You can use the regular lid on it to cover it, but you just want to make sure that there's enough air circulating in there for the worms. I also add coffee grounds if you have coffee grounds like this. So just add a little bit of coffee grounds, And I have some crushed eggshells. I'm gonna add a little bit of crushed eggshells to it right here. Crushed eggshells. I'm just gonna add a little bit of crushed eggshells, and that is it. You have your bin is all set, so we're just gonna cover it now. So what you want to do is I'll say soak cardboard like this, just soak it in water, and you want to just cover it with it, so that way it maintains some moisture in there and it prevents light from getting to the worms. Worms don't like sunlight, so you want to just use the cardboard and cover it like that. You can put a couple of layers of cardboard. Within a month or two, they're gonna eat through the food that they have there, and they're gonna start eating on. You're gonna see that they also eating on the cardboard that you used to cover it. So